और ये जो गाना का स्पिरिट है, इट इनकैप्सुलेट्स द फीलिंग ऑफ जिगरा। तो ये हम आपके लिए लेके आए स्पेशली।
थैंक यू।
आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव टेकन इट टू द सॉन्ग क्यू।
ऑलराइट वेदांत, आप दिल्ली से हैं, राइट? और मुंबई से भी हैं और कश्मीर से भी हैं, करेक्ट?
पैन इंडिया।
तो अपनी दिल्ली की स्टोरी बताइए। व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट मेमोरी विद दिल्ली?
एक्चुअली मेमोरीज यहाँ बहुत हैं क्योंकि मैं पैदा इधर हुआ था एंड मम्मी पापा यहाँ से।
Can we raise the volume again? Can we raise the volume little? Check. Perfect.
सो मैं पैदा इधर हुआ था, मम्मी पापा इधर से और अभी भी मेरी फैमिली इधर है, मेरी मासी इधर है, नाना जी इधर है।
अरे वाह।
तो मैं यहाँ पे बहुत आता हूँ और मेरी एक्चुअली चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज भी बहुत हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि मम्मी पापा आते रहते थे देयर पेरेंट्स एंड या इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल प्लेस।
मैंने सुना थोड़ा बहुत पार्टी भी कर लेते हैं।
पार्टी मैंने ज़्यादा करेंगे दिल्ली में नहीं।
Really? दिल्ली में होगी पार्टी में?
नहीं, क्योंकि मैं फैमिली के साथ आता हूँ।
Okay.
और अगर कर भी रहा है तो यहाँ पे तो नहीं बोलेगा ना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे।
नहीं बोल देता लेकिन ऐसे कोई पार्टी वार्टी
नहीं, एक्चुअली ऐसे लड़के अगर पार्टी में चले जाएंगे तो फिर क्या होगा पार्टी से? सारी लड़कियां मतलब है ना, you'll take all the attention। फिर हम जैसे बच्चे फिर कहाँ जा पाएंगे?
तो आप लोग कभी सेम पार्टी में मत जाना बेसिकली।
वासन सर, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। प्लीज अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए डायरेक्टिंग बोथ ऑफ देम।
बहुत मजा आया। मतलब फिर मैंने सिनेमाटोग्राफर को बोला शूट कर दो यार, मैं खाना खा के आता हूँ। बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं।
सो इट वाज दैट इजी।
ये एग्जैक्टली, आई मीन यू नो, स्क्रिप्ट लिखना होता है, ये एक्टिंग करते हैं, एडिटर एडिट कर देता है, फिर फिल्म बाहर आ
कोई क्रेडिट नहीं
जाती है।
लेंगे।
नहीं वैसे
कुछ नहीं करते हैं।
ही इज वेरी हम्बल, वी नो
वो बात नहीं है, पर बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया। आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा कमिटमेंट है इनमें और मोर देन स्टार जो भी हैं आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो उसका सुकून है काम करने का।
क्या बात है। एंड सर, दिल्ली के साथ आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
दिल्ली तो ससुराल है।
अच्छा।
तो और कहीं मेरा ख्याल नहीं रखा जाता, पर दिल्ली में जरूर रखा जाता
That was a good
है।
scene।
यहाँ बहुत प्यार मिलता है, तो खाना भी मिलता है, सब कुछ मिलता
खाना भी मिलता है।
है। यहाँ बड़ा best है। दिल्ली आती मतलब कि मुझे नहीं कुछ करना है।
Great. As Alia said, we are here for a purpose. We are here for the Jigra title track, and we're gonna play that on the screen. So let's do that. Let's have the songs.
हाँ, तो मेरा फर्स्ट लव आई वुड से म्यूजिक था एंड धीरे धीरे वो एक्टिंग में शिफ्ट हो गया और एक्टिंग करने लग गया। लेकिन टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी लाइक दिस, थैंक्स टू वासन सर, अचिंत, आलिया, जिनको भी पता नहीं कि क्यों ऐसे इन्होंने डिसाइड किया सडनली कि मैं गाना भी गाऊंगा फिल्म में, लेकिन आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल और समथिंग लाइक दिस वाज माय ड्रीम टू डू ऑलवेज, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
Make some noise for the rockstar boy, everyone. आलिया, जब ट्रेलर चला तो आई वेंट टू द मीडिया। मैंने पूछा कि क्या कितने एक्साइटेड है हम लोग आलिया को देखने के लिए, एंड स्पेशली द एक्शन सीन्स। एंड आई बीन अ फैन ऑफ हार्ट ऑफ स्टोन। मैंने आपके एक्शन सीन्स वहाँ देखे हैं और ऑफ कोर्स द मूवी पाकिस्तान वो शॉट करेक्ट। वहाँ के बाद तो मतलब आई थिंक आपके एक्शन सीन से रिलेटेड कुछ थोड़ा सा बताइए। हाउ वाज इट?
एक्चुअली जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, जेन्युइनली उस टाइम पे जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी, एक्शन था, सिचुएशन था ऐसा, बट वो फिल्म का जो इमोशनल कोर था, ये भाई बहन का जो रिश्ता है, वो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी एंड दैट्स व्हाट स्टूड आउट टू मी द मोस्ट। ये एक्शन बस हो गया। वो पता नहीं, मैं सेट पे पहुंची एक दिन और हम क्लाइमैक्स या कुछ ऐसे कुछ सीक्वेंस शूट कर रहे थे और वासन ने बहुत कैजुअली बता दिया, तो अभी यहाँ से भागना है, फिर यहाँ पे कूदना है, फिर यहाँ पे जंप करना है और यहाँ पे रोल करना है और यहाँ पे चढ़ना है। और मैंने बोला इसका कुछ मतलब तो ऐसे ये करना, हाँ ये करना है, लाइक नो रिहर्सल नथिंग, इट वाज जस्ट जो दिन में मतलब दिन पे मतलब वी वुड स्टार्ट द डे ऑफ शूट, वहीं शूट होता था सब कुछ, जो भी क्रिएटिविटी सब कुछ वहाँ पे, बट ऑफ कोर्स द प्रेप वुड हैपन behind the scenes a lot between the team, the action team, and Vasan sir. So I think for me it was also a surprise कितना क्या कुछ करना था, but genuinely जो take away है मैं ये कहूँगी, जब आप ये action scenes भी देख रहे हो, वो एक emotional layer हमेशा आपके अंदर रहेगा, at least that's what I hope.
Great. वासन सर, मूवी काफी
I think I've been very blessed. I truly believe filmmaking is the filmmaker's medium. I respond to films like an audience when I watch them, when I read them, when I see them. तो जब मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट आती है, मैं एक ऑडियंस की तरह पढ़ती हूँ, फिर अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ. And I genuinely think I'm not just being modest. I've been very lucky luck has to do a lot with it as well. Being given the opportunity to play a part like this. And I'm somebody, when I go on set, even though I'm a co-producer on this film, I am the director's, you know, puppet. Like whatever you tell me to do, I will do. And that's why for me the journey of an actor-director is so important. I think every actor will say that. In fact, yesterday only Vasan and I were talking, whatever the fate of the film, I genuinely feel very strongly about the sync that he and I caught on this film, prior to the film and on the shooting of the film, and I hold that very close to my heart. So, secret of success and all, ये मुझे पता नहीं है, just very grateful, fingers crossed, keep the head down, keep working and keep moving forward.
So how do you define yourself as an actor?
How do I define myself as an actor? I don't know. It'll be sad to be definable so early on. I think let's maybe have this chat 20 years from now.
Absolutely. And there was one question we were all discussing. If you were to introduce your daughter to one of your movies, which one would that be? The first movie?
Actually,
Sorry, can I come with the question again?
Yeah, so your daughter to one of your films, which is the first one you would want her to watch?
I was just discussing this the other day with somebody, and I'm not really sure because it's a very difficult, it's a very important decision to make. But just yesterday, she saw my first song which I ever shot in my life, and that's Radha Teri Chunri. So abhi usko gana thoda thoda dikha rahe and all of that. She's about 2 years old. So actually the first song she saw was Kesariya, and then yesterday was Radha Teri Chunri, and she saw Badtameez Dil at the same time. दोनों साथ में हमारे गाने दिखाते. So she must be thinking, hey, whatever, this is like normal.
Awesome. So Vedant, congratulations. They're calling you the new poster boy of Cool.
I mean everything about it, but it just I didn't have the privilege to choose from anything that was there at that time. This was when I hadn't even been launched yet with Archie's, and at that time this script came to me, and I'd only consider myself the luckiest person in the world to get this film, which was directed by Vasan sir alongside Alia, and yeah, I mean I think now is when I think you look at scripts and you decide which route to take, what resonates with you the most. But at that time it was just whatever came to me. I just went with that and I got lucky.
Awesome. And lastly, Vasan sir, since you've also written it, it's an interesting dynamics because usually you have the brother protecting the sister. So how did this idea come about and directing these two wonderful actors?
I mean, I had written this with my co-writer Debashish, it's his debut as a writer. Wonderful guy. And how did this idea come about? It came across in a conversation with Karan. We were just discussing what are the stories that we can explore, and this kind of came up. And he seemed really excited with it. So we went with the flow, and then one thing led to the other, and it happened. And directing them, I think I don't give too many instructions in that sense. I mean, the story is there, the scenes are written. So, I mean, we kind of discuss some interpretations, and then we go along with it. Alia is really instinctive. She keeps her process very invisible, so that it's not a hindrance to the crew as to, oh, Alia aa gayi. Alia is there, sitting there only, and she's going nowhere, and she does her job. And I mean, for the superstar that she is, I mean, it's a treat for the crew. I think that's a really important thing. I mean, because being an artist, I think people get away with a lot, get by with a lot, but I don't think she takes that for granted, which is extremely special. And with Vedant, I really hope we make more films together. I really want to write more characters for him, and I really want to see him on screen in other people's vision as well, because I feel he's incredible. I mean, he's got it all. Great promise, and a welcome addition to to like a really fresh, with a really fresh energy. So really looking forward to the next decade.
Thank you.
Is you just try to make the day. But of course, we feel very grateful to be there because when you love what you do, nothing feels challenging or hard. And even if it is hard, even that is enjoyable. When you're talking about protection, I think जो protection का feeling है, if you love somebody, whether you're younger than them, older than them, or as old as them, you will want to protect them. No matter who they are, whether it's your pet, whether it's your brother, whether it's your sister, whether it's your mother, father, And in my case, when I signed Jigra, it was just after I had Raha. So the protection was like bursting out of me. And I have to also give credit to the way the scenes are written, you know, beautifully by Vasan and Debashish. जो character dynamics है, जो protection भी होता है, वो ऐसे नहीं है कि character enters the room saying मैं तुम्हें protect करने वाला हूँ, I protect you every day. It's not that. It's an underlying energy that you just know. जो आप सीन में देख रहे हो, you know कि ये बरसों से चलता आ रहा है. Character dynamic जो है, वो build किया है very consciously. तो वेदांग और मैं, हमारा first scene था, उसमें काफी वो layers थे which we got to play with. So it's difficult sometimes for actors to get that chemistry on day one. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to get into it. But I have to give credit to the way the scene is written. Because of that scene, I think both of us flowed very naturally into this, you know, the parts of Satya and Ankur. और बाकी आप फिल्म में देखोगे.
Thank you, thank you. One question is for
I think as a producer, she's fiercely protective of her art. As a mother, maybe as a fiercely protective of her daughter. As a producer, also this is also her daughter, the film, and she is very protective of its core. मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसको 100 और 100 लेके आना है, पर ये है कि उसे खुश रहना है और उसको अपना पोटेंशियल पूरा करने का मौका देना है. And that is what I think she got to the film also. So we felt very protected.
If I may add, I've only been in the industry for what, a year now. My first film was out a year back, but I've never seen someone who's so supportive of everyone around them. I think we were having this chat yesterday, and I was just thinking about, because it's not like I've had any experience with a star as big as Alia or anything like that, but just the way she is, just whatever she's done for me even, as basically a newcomer coming into a film, just the support that she shows publicly, personally, it really means the world. So yeah, I think this producer journey is new for you. You're killing it. Keep at it.
When we were chatting with Karan, and after Monica, I really didn't want to get into another space where someone's dead and some things happening around that. So we were chatting, and we were actually talking about early Dharma films as well, and the early 90s as to there was action, but there was a lot of emotion riding on it as well. And that's how it came about. And a brother-sister story excited him, which doesn't excite producers as such, because love songs नहीं होंगे, प्यार के गाने होंगे, पर वैसे प्यार के गाने नहीं होंगे जो promote कर पाएंगे conventionally. So then it always becomes a hindrance, but then he isn't like that. So he kind of gave me wings, and then we wrote the script, and that's how kind of it came into being. Did that answer it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, the challenges. So I played Reggie before this in Archie's. That was my debut, and this is a much it's a very different kind of a role, very different space for me to be in. It felt like after the first film, I was thrown right into the deep end with this one, and I felt like it was a coming of age for me also, being on the set. I think I had to learn a lot very quickly, but that the adapting happened very easily because of the two of them. They made it easier for me. However, the role was very challenging. I can't lie. The character took a lot out of me. Also, I keep saying that it's probably because of my inexperience. I'm very new to this, so I feel like I have to give it my all. I don't know any other way. So I think it took a toll on me. I think I made it too hard for myself also, and I learned a lesson that things can be done in other ways. Certain scenes and certain emotions can be reached in alternative ways, which are probably healthier on you as a human. But yeah, the challenges were there. It's a very difficult situation for the character to be in prison and put on life, put on death row. So all those things were difficult, but I think everything happened quite smoothly on set, and it was just a great environment to be in. For me, it's not the four walls within which you're living, but it's more of an emotion. It's where you feel safety and you feel love. That could be a person, that could be your pet dog, but that emotion, that feeling of feeling safe. I think that is home for me. Ghar.
You know, like in English you say cinema hall, but हिंदी में हम सिनेमा घर कहते हैं. तो जब आप वहाँ जाके कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, कुछ रिश्ते जोड़ते हो, तो मेरे ख्याल से घर वही है जहाँ आप रिश्ते बनाते हो, जोड़ते हो और मेंटेन रखते हो. शायद कम व्हाट में.
And Alia, for you?
Yeah, I mean,
आई वुड से द सेम थिंग कि घर का मतलब मकान नहीं है, मतलब घर घर नहीं है. जो जिन लोग के साथ आप द पीपल यू फील योर मोस्ट लाइक योर सेल्फ विथ. आई थिंक आज के ज़माने में काफ़ी भाग दौड़ है यार, स्पेशली सोशल मीडिया, और ये कुछ पिक्चर डाल रहे हो फिर कुछ और है, और यू नो देयर सो मच हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, विद इन द वर्ल्ड. इतने सारी वल्नरेबिलिटीज़ है, कितने सारे इमोशंस है डील करने में. कभी कभार सांस लेने में डिफिकल्टी हो जाता है, यू नो. सो द पीपल दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली जस्ट जिनके साथ आप बस सांस ले सकते हो और अपने आप जैसे फील कर सकते हो, वही घर है. और मेरे लिए भी. और इसी बारे में बात करते भी मैं गेट वेरी इमोशनल, क्योंकि द थॉट ऑफ द फिल्म इज़ वेरी
Emotion.
हाँ वो है 100%. वो एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ इमोशन भी भरपूर तरीके से घुस आया है. बट कोई थॉट है जो आप फिल्म में भी देखोगे, चाइल्डहुड से भी कनेक्टेड है. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी, वरना पूरा मतलब मैं फीलिंग दे दूँगी, आप देख लीजिए.
Thank you so much. All the best for the film. Thank you so much.
hi, Alia. Sorry.
To give Easter eggs in this film, you just have to look for them, and for that you have to watch the film multiple times.
We will.
So yeah, so Gumrah is yeah, a film that I love, and hopefully this also kind of turns out a film that people love. So
Lover boy. I don't think I played much of a lover boy in the first film. I wouldn't call him that. But yeah, I guess he was a very different character. Matlab, cocky, vain, only cared about his looks. I think that's the last thing I cared about in this film.
Not in that one scene.
Which one?
That one scene, no? Where you're like talking to Dilton.
Dilton.
Correct.
Maybe not. Yeah, and yeah, that scene I guess was like, yeah, where you see the vulnerability of the character. But apart from that, his whole persona is that I'm the best and I'm too cool and I'm too good for you. I think for Ankur, none of those things were really valid. Actually, I feel like Ankur's character is closer to who I am as a person. Reggie was very, very far away from me, and it was quite liberating to not be doing this all the time, because what he did was shave it all off multiple times. So then I was bald through the film, so no hair. I had to look a bit disheveled, so no makeup. कपड़े भी कुछ नहीं, एक ही outfit in the whole film. So one t-shirt, one shorts, वही चप्पल पूरे 2-3 महीने मैंने पहने. So I had to just come to set and just be the character. So it was very liberating कि none of the extra stuff I had to go through, and I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed just giving in and giving it all to my character. Very different roles, and I'm happy as an actor. So early in my career, I'm getting an opportunity to play such varied characters.
Alia, the emotional part.
The prep. Honestly, no prep. There was no prep for this film. We met once, Vedant and I together, and just discussed one scene. Essay, I think, just for.
We discussed for 2 minutes.
Yeah, we discussed for 2 minutes,
chatted
and we just
for
chatted
hours.
about movies and stuff. Vasan and I think, work in a very, because also this film didn't require that kind of prep only because I was not कुछ डायलेक्ट नहीं करना था, ऐसे कुछ बॉडी लैंग्वेज या कोई स्पोर्ट नहीं की. हाँ बास्केटबॉल वॉज दी ओनली थिंग दैट आई लर्न, क्योंकि एक बास्केटबॉल सीक्वेंस है छोटू सा, तो उसके लिए 6 महीने बास्केटबॉल.
और जो प्रेप पे ना आजकल ज़्यादा मार्केटिंग टूल हो गया है, रादर देन बहुत कम लोग हैं जो बहुत प्रेप करके फिल्म की मदद करते हैं. वो बाद में फिल्म के बाद में बहुत बोलते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया. तो आई थिंक आलिया का प्रोसेस अलग है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेप करती हैं, बट इट्स वेरी इंटरनल. वो फिल्म पे हावी होने नहीं देती.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ ऐसे लंबा चौड़ा नहीं था. आई हैव टू से कि हमारा जो एक फ्लो था सेट पे, वो सीन को लेकर वेरी ऑफन आई वुड, पहले फ्यू डेज आई वाज लर्निंग माय लाइंस एंड ऑल एंड कमिंग ऑन सेट. उसके बाद मैंने पेपर छोड़ दिया क्योंकि सेट पे आके काफ़ी कुछ बदल रहा था, तो फिर ज़रूरत भी नहीं थी पढ़ने के लिए. तो वी रियली सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्लोड विद इट, और उसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा है फॉर मी पर्सनली, बिकॉज the world is your oyster. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Of course, staying within the guardrails of the plot, but that is something that I enjoyed the most.
Thank you.
जो आपने ट्रेलर में see everything is very close to my heart to be very honest, but I can't reveal too much. जो so I can talk about जो आपने already देखा है ट्रेलर में, वो एक खाने का शॉट है जहाँ वो खा रही है. I think 1 मिनट तक वो खा रही है. और वो मैंने एक्चुअली काफ़ी खाया था उस शॉट में. How many takes did we do? 3, 2 or 3? हाँ, 1 rehearsal 2 takes. जो उसके पीछे कहानी है वो ये है कि जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही थी और एक मोमेंट होता है हमेशा एक्टर के दिमाग में जहाँ वो डिसाइड करता है कि मैं ये फिल्म करूँगी या करूँगा. एंड यू नो विद इंस्टिंक्टिव कॉल और फीलिंग आ जाती है. व्हेन दिस मोमेंट केम ऑन पेपर where the air hostess asks Satya, can I get you something? And she says, everything. And the air hostess is confused and she says, give me everything. I don't know what that is. And then the next moment you're just seeing her eating. That moment for me on paper, that moment for me while we were shooting, that moment for me when I see it, always will be the defining moment of what I feel my director's speciality is, which is that he's just giving you something which is so layered, so unique, so different, but also has some root and emotion to it, which is just something that jumps out to you on paper. So that's what I felt. So I think that's something that's very special to me. I've done quite a few love stories, so I'm actually always looking for something different. ऐसे नहीं है कि love story नहीं करना है, but जिस moment पे ये script मेरे पास आया, it just felt like again a very unique story to be a part of. You don't always see a brother-sister dynamic portrayed in such a way, in an entertaining way with emotion, with whatever. And I'm hoping that's the experience that the audience has. But जब मैंने script पढ़ी, I had that experience. So I don't really say कि love story ये मैं calculate नहीं करती इतना. जो feeling आती है अंदर से, if it's a gut feeling, I just go with that.